Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Wonderland. I hope you are all doing well. So our today's topic is string. What is string in Python? Okay. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notification of all my further videos. Now without any further delay, let's get started. Now let's open our Python command line. So in search panel we will write Python. Double click on this. Here you can see the Python command line. Now what is string? Basically whatever we write in double quotes or single quotes is a string in Python. For example, if we write take, this is string. We can also write in single quotes. Okay, then hit enter. This is a string. Now another point to remember is if we write number in quotes, then it will not remain a number, but it will become a string. Let's write a number into double quotes, 7. So this is not a number, this is a string. Let's take a simple example so that you can understand. See, if you write 5 plus 3, what will get? 8, right? Now let's write this number into string. So we will write 5 in double quotes, then plus, and then 3 in double quotes. So what is going to be the output? Let's hit enter. It's 53. Now you must be thinking why it is 53 not 8. This is because if you can see, we write 5 plus 3 and we will get 8, which is not in double quotes. So this is not a string, this is a number. But we write 5 and 3 in quotes, right? So the answer is also in quotes and this quote is a string. Here plus is used to concatenate this 5 and 3. Concatenation means we will join these two strings using this plus sign. Okay. Now let's take another example. For example, we will write a string like take plus in quote Wonderland. Okay. So here we write take in double quotes and Wonderland in double quotes. So hit enter. We'll get take Wonderland. Okay. So this plus sign is used to concatenate two strings. Actually this is also a string, but we write number into that double quotes. Now let's take another example. Here we use plus. We will now write something different. That is, if we write take in double quotes, then into 3. I have told earlier that this into sign is for the multiplication. Now let's see what happens. As you can see here, you get take 3 times. Here you can see we write take in double quotes, but we didn't write 3 in double quotes. So the operation performs here. The take is repeated 3 times. You can write anything inside this double quote. It will get repeated 3 times because we have written into 3. Okay, but we can't use take into in double quotes 3. Here you can see can't multiply sequence. Okay, because this is not used to concatenate or used for multiplication. The mathematical operations can't be performed between the strings. This plus is used for concatenation, which is a separate term. Okay, but we can't use multiplication, but we can use this multiplication sign between a string and a number. If we want to repeat that string, then we can use into. Okay, so you need to remember this plus and into sign. This plus sign can use between two strings. Into sign can be used between a string and a number. And also if we write number into double quotes, then it will not remain number, but it will change into a string. I hope that's clear. So guys, I told you that we can write string in double quotes and in single quotes also. So what if we write a string like this? It's easy. Here you can see we use single quotes to write a string, and our string is it's easy. Here we use single quote to join the is to it. Okay. So what do you think? What will be the output? Enter. We will see it is invalid syntax, because what is Python syntax for string is we will write a single quote. Okay, this and this. So what Python will do is it will only recognize it, which is string, in single quotes, and what is after this single quote, Python don't know what is this, because it will only consider this it, not this extra part. So how to rectify it? We have to tell Python that this is our string which I have written in this single quote. So how to do that? We can do this by writing in double quotes. Okay, so in double quotes you will write it's easy. Now let's hit the enter. Here you get your string it's easy. And the second method is you can use backslash. You can find the backslash right above the enter key. So we will use it. Here you can use it's easy. Now we will write the backslash just earlier this single quote which we want to tell Python that this is not your syntax or this is the part of sentence. Okay, now we will hit the enter. As you can see, we will get the output. Earlier we get an error of invalid syntax because this is a single quote. Okay, and here we use single quote with the backslash, and here we use double quotes. Okay, the same in case of double quotes. Like we can't use double quotes inside the syntax of double quotes. That is, for example, if you write my name is something ABC. Okay, here you can see we got error invalid syntax, but what we will do is we will write it in single quote. Okay, so in single quote we will write my name is, and now we will use double quotes ABC, close the double quote. Here you see this is single quote, and for ABC we have used the double quotes. Now hit enter. There is no error. Okay, so yeah, that's all about the string, and this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you understand the string and some basic operation of strings, and if you have any query then please comment below. And thanks for watching, guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye, take care and keep supporting.